AI coding tools are powerful, but they are not perfect. Welcome, I'm Daniel Vania. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of my latest build, MarkView app created with Bolt.new. We are going to look at the reality of the workflow, the wins, the struggles, and the specific prompts so that you can see what it really takes to build these features. Let's get into it. MarkView app is a slide presentation tool where you write a slide in Markdown, which each slide is separated by 3 dashes. Then you can just take your folder or the Markdown or zip file, and then you can navigate the presentation. You can go left and right, up and down. This is the main functionality I wanted to achieve. Now there was a lot of features. You can print the presentation in PDF, which gives you a nice overview of the different slides. You can refine your slides with AI, or you can simply generate a new presentation with AI. You have to provide your own API key. It's all stored locally. For instance, create me a presentation on Markdown, its history, and it calls OpenAI. And then you get a nice presentation. It was created by John Gruber. It provides you some information to get all the functionality. I used Bolt.new for this one. Usually I use Cursor, but with Bolt.new, I wanted to experiment how well it works. And after the first prompt I provided, which explained that I wanted a Markdown renderer, and it creates slide and you can navigate left and right, and I wanted it to be more terminal oriented, and it created the first version, which was really good. Follow-up prompts, I use enhanced prompts, which gives you a more structured prompting, and it makes a better plan to approach the features you want to add. I have multiple themes. For instance, you can just say, we already have 3 themes, green, blue, light. Add a 4th theme that is modern, visually appealing. Ensure that the theme is applied to the Markdown viewer and the grid view. So usually you get good results with that, but the interesting part is when you enhance, then you see it provides a clear description of what should be implemented. So if you want to see all the prompts, you can go to this URL where I published them, markview-app-prompts.surge.sh, and it gives you all the prompts that were created, an easy way to navigate. It gives you a good idea of how many iterations I made. It shows you the prompts. You can provide images to Bolt.new, and these images that help identify the issue. So it's doing a pretty good job at it. As you see, we had 108 prompts for this one. So adding 4 groups of features. The main one was the initial prompt. Basically, you have keyboard navigation, terminal style UI, and the presentation. Then I added the grid view overview, added that you can drop files with image support, added the PDF export, and then the last part, I added the AI-powered creation and refinement. It's a fun way to play with AI and Bolt.new to explore different features. For me, it's mostly a learning experience to understand the bottlenecks and what works and what doesn't work. Finally, you can go to my repo, Daniel Vania, and all the source code is there. You can check it out. You can see what's generated. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions. Please leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.